Today I'm showing myself making my KH Keeper reagent. This is the glass beaker I use, just got off Amazon. I'm making an 80ml solution today. So you add your RODI water first. Should come to 800ml. Plus obviously the weight of the beaker. I should have zeroed it out first. And then, so it's 9:1, so 10% solution of acid, so it's 80ml here. Just put them to acid to water, never water to acid. You don't want any accidents. Just going to decant it out now just to double check the weight. Tar out the scales. Should have done that to begin with. You live and learn. Be careful here. Make sure you know wearing things like glasses and gloves and that. Do as I say, not as I do. Safety first. Although weak solution, safety first. There you can see I've got 880ml solution there. It's 0.3 out, but it's 0.3. You can adjust in the KH Keeper anyway. Give it a nice stir. I use this plastic rod because it won't react. Thanks for watching.